Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve auto pause Discord on Spotify. To know how to fix or solve auto pause Discord on Spotify, you should just go settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. Then this list of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click on clear data because it may cause a lot of errors on your app, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode to turn on. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.